Causes of blindness. Types of blindness, two types. One avoidable blindness, two other unavoidable blindness. Avoidable blindness means cataract, glaucoma, corneal ulcers, xerophthalmia, conjunctivitis. Next, other unavoidable disorders: retinal detachment, albinism, astigmatism, nystagmus, optic atrophy, retinal pigmentosa, trachoma. Now we will see about details. Avoidable blindness. Cataract. Cataract is a common eye disease in the developing countries. In India, cataract accounts for 80% of avoidable blindness. In cataract, the lens which is transparent of avoidable blindness. In cataract, the lens which is transparent in nature becomes opaque and the light rays are absorbed. A person can restore sight with the corrective devices after the removal of detective lens. Even though this is a common eye disease usually found in grown up persons, children too, or sometimes are found with this defect which is called congenital cataract. Congenital cataract is over. Next, glaucoma. Glaucoma is very dangerous and it occurs due to problems in the intraocular pressure. Intraocular pressure is a function of the ratio between the formation of aqueous in the eye and the resistance to outflow of aqueous from the eye. Next problem is corneal ulcer. Corneal ulcer. A foreign body is the cause for most common disorders and ulcers. Frequently occur as complications of corneal abrasions or foreign body. When the foreign body stays in the cornea, it may lead to ulcer, which in turn reduces the vision from mere blurring to total blindness. In order to avoid this, the eyes should be washed with clean water. Eyes should not be rubbed. Corneal ulcers are developed in the eyes due to bacterial, viral infections, fungus, vitamin deficiency, etc. Next, xerophthalmia. This is a general term applied to the vitamin A deficiency disease. Night blindness is the earliest symptom of the xerophthalmia disease. Early diagnosis and treatment will be the best way in checking this defect. Next, conjunctivitis. This is the commonest eye disease caused due to bacteria, virus infection, allergic conditions, etc. Inflammation in the eye is the earliest symptom. This defect is usually cleared within a short period with the help of antibacterial agent. In addition to this disease, diabetes and hypertension can also cause serious damage to the eye. These are the avoidable blindness: cataract, glaucoma, corneal ulcer, xerophthalmia, conjunctivitis. These we can avoid with treatment. Next, other diseases we cannot treat. Retinal detachment. Retinal detachment, albinism, astigmatism, nystagmus, optic atrophy, retinitis pigmentosa, trachoma. This we cannot treat. Retinal detachment. No physiological symptoms are evident for retinal detachment. Secondary effects such as diabetics and myopia may also cause retinal detachment. A serious blow to the head may also sometimes cause detachment of the retina from its positions. Next, albinism. Due to the absence of pigment in these iris, skin and hair, affected children report poor visual acuity, and often the defect is accompanied by refractive errors. The albino children are very sensitive to light. Dark sunglasses are suggested for these children as safety measures. Next, astigmatism. This is a type of visual defect in which the refractive error prevents the light rays from coming to a single focus on the retina because of different degrees of refraction in the various meridians of the eye. Next, nystagmus. A defect in which the eyeball moves rapidly and presents involuntary jerks. Optic atrophy. Optic atrophy is the defect which is caused due to the degeneration of the tissue of the optic nerve. The light sensation cannot reach the brain and may lead to blindness. Retinitis pigmentosa. Retinitis pigmentosa is a defect due to the hereditary degeneration and atrophy of the retina. Trachoma. Trachoma is a form of infection caused by a specific virus which in the chronic form produces severe scarring of the eyelids and cornea. These are the other untreatable disorders.